A lot of people think you need ads or a website or a big following to make money online, but I have been earning over $25,000 per month with the Fiverr affiliate program, and I don't spend a single dollar on traffic. No paid ads, no fancy funnels, just free traffic from platforms anyone can use starting today. I literally post simple content that take less than 10 or 20 minutes to create, and it drive thousands of clicks every single week. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I do it step by step so you can copy the same system and start earning real affiliate commissions online even if you are a complete beginner. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll share with you my methods with Fiverr affiliate program. And if you are a beginner and you are asking, what is affiliate marketing? It's one of the easiest way to make money online without creating your own products or dealing with customer service. How it works: you just need to promote other people's products using a unique affiliate link, and whenever someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. Simply as that. Okay, now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let me show you how we can start. Okay,
This video is sponsored by PRBoost.io, the go-to PR platform for brands that want instant authority, credibility, and media. PR Boost gets you published on Yahoo, Business Insider, Benzinga, and 200+ sites. No PR agency needed. Trust building angle: if you run a website, you need a PR package. Adding as seen on badges builds instant trust and skyrockets conversions. Ease: support booking, no contracts, no monthly fees. You get fast support and can even book a call with their team to plan your campaign. Social proof: rated 4.9 on reviews.io with hundreds of happy clients. Click the link in the description. PRBoost.io. Get featured, get trusted, get results.
and just last month, as you can see guys over here, previous month, in the last month I made $27,365 just in the last month, and it's already paid. This is the payment. As you can see, a recent payment request details, and it's paid. Okay, here is the payment guys. As you can see, $27,365. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create your affiliate account. So you need to join Fiverr affiliate. So here is what you will do. Step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Of course, it's for free. Once you finish, this will be your homepage, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and just keep scrolling down. Just scroll down, go over here, search for this company, and scroll down. You should see here affiliate. Okay, just click on affiliate like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are paying really some crazy commissions. Some commissions can be up to 70% of the first order, meaning if you promote pro services, you can earn up to 70% of the first order. And the best part with this affiliate marketing business guys is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, 10% revenue share of each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. Meaning, so for example, if a person buy service from your affiliate link, you will earn a good commission for his first order. If he keep buying more services, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. You guys can check this website. You can get more idea. Anyway, if you want to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and click over here on join now like this. And as you can see guys, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Okay, if you are Fiverr seller, you can choose this option. If you have a company, you can choose this option. Okay, so I will choose this one, private account. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? They are asking you if you have a main source of traffic. If you have a website or a blog, you guys can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can say no. Okay, that's fine. And you will choose here your country. click on country and search for your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Just search for your country from here and choose your language. And here, please submit your social media link. Here, you guys need to put your social media link. So, for example, you can put your Pinterest profile link or your YouTube channel link, your Facebook page link. You can put any link here and click on next. If you have Telegram, you can put your Telegram here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy. Anyone can sign up. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your dashboard, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, you should see your commissions here, your clicks, CTR, people who use their affiliate links to sign up to Fiverr, people who use their affiliate link to buy services from you. Okay, it's clear and easy. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to choose. Now we need to choose good services that we will start promoting using, of course, free traffic. Okay, and the best platform that, guys, I'm using and that I want to suggest that you guys should start with is YouTube. YouTube is a gold mine for affiliate marketing. You guys don't know the potential of YouTube. Okay, so go and open your YouTube channel. Open a YouTube channel like this. It's for free. You just need to create YouTube channel using your email, and that's it. And YouTube has a lot of traffic. You guys don't know the potential of YouTube. You can see that YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. Sometimes they got up to 31 billion monthly visitors. You should also know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google in the world. Google is number 1 and YouTube is number 2. And people are using YouTube to search for services, to search for products, to search for a lot of stuff using YouTube. So you should start using YouTube, and you can make so much money with affiliate marketing. Of course, you don't need to get a million of views. You just need to target people who will be interested to buy those services. You need to make content about services related to what people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, let me explain so you guys can understand. So what I will do, for me, what I do is I use YouTube search bar. Okay, you see here, I click here, and let's ask, for example, how to grow followers, for example. And here you go, you see followers on, and you see this one. You just need to type question, just put keyword here, and YouTube will gives you the topics that people are searching for right now. You can see here, this is report search prediction. This is the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. People are searching for how to grow followers on Instagram, how to grow followers on TikTok, on Facebook, YouTube. So I will pick the first topic, this one, how to grow followers on Instagram. What I will do, I will go back to Fiverr, to my home page over here, and I will search for Instagram promotion. I will search for services related to the topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so you understand, it's clear. So what you will do next, let's go back, search for Instagram promotion, go back to Fiverr, search for Instagram promotion, scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who are searching for who provide services related to Instagram. Okay, you will find a lot of sellers who promote, who can grow Instagram accounts, Instagram business accounts, and grow and get you more followers. Okay, what you will do next, for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you need to choose good seller. So how we can choose good seller? It's by choosing like levels. Okay, focus on levels. For example, like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. This is the best sellers that I'm focusing on, that I'm using to promote my affiliate links on YouTube. So for example, let's choose one, for example, like this one, pro seller. You can see I will promote, manage, and grow your Instagram page organically. This seller is pro seller. He has over 1,000 reviews. This service starting from $100, which is really good. The reviews, the more reviews the seller has, the more this seller is meaning that the seller is a good seller, has a good experience, and he knows exactly how to grow Instagram business accounts or personal accounts. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. I will just click on the service of the seller that you want to use, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. Okay, you guys can see this is the proof that this service, this affiliate marketing business is working. You can see here 182 orders in queue. That's really crazy. Look how many people are paying for those services. So those people keep saying in the comments it's not working, it's saturated. Of course not. It's still working. A lot of people still working. A lot of people still searching for how to grow Instagram account. A lot of people search for how to grow YouTube account, and so much more. People keep coming back, meaning that this service also, guys, you should know that this service is evergreen service, meaning that people, if they buy this service one, they can buy this service uh, again and again. They can keep buying this service every time. Okay, because this seller is providing good service, people keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing good service for his customers. People are satisfied, are happy with the result. That's why they keep coming back and they are buying more. Okay, 182 orders in queue. So which people, look how many reviews, over 4,000 reviews. Which people will buy this service? Those people, this audience who search for how to grow followers on Instagram. It's the same audience that will be interested to buy this service. Okay, so what you will do next is you will copy the profile link of this seller like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, to your dashboard, click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. If you scroll down here, what you will do first, click here on deep link and put this seller profile link here like this and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first affiliate link that you will use to promote this service on YouTube. Okay, so for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I do have old Fiverr affiliate account. Like I said, I have been doing this business for over 5 years. It's almost 6 years now. I still have this option because I have old account, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for you guys, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, and this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. So since we choose pro sellers, this will be our affiliate link, this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. What we need to do next is we need to promote this service on YouTube. Okay, and by the way, guys, if you want to learn how I make over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using 100% free traffic, I have put together a complete step-by-step course showing you exactly how I do it, with no paid ads, no fancy tools, and no niche skills required. You will learn how to use Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram to earn real commissions with Amazon and Fiverr affiliate programs. Plus, you will get direct support from me and my team to guide you every step of the way. Ready, and if you are ready to start earning with affiliate marketing, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. I'll share with you more details about my course, my coaching, and so much more. Okay, anyway, for people, so what we need to do next, like I said, guys, we need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, is you need to go back to YouTube. Okay, like I said, and you need to create a YouTube channel. So you will create content. You need to make a video about how to grow followers on Instagram, and you will post the video. You will talk about this service. Okay, you will talk about this service, this uh, Instagram promotion service on Fiverr, and you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, you will copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, and you will go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link under your YouTube video that you will make about this topic, how to grow followers on Instagram, and include your affiliate link about Instagram promotion. And you will talk about Instagram promotion and how this Fiverr Instagram promotion service will help people who are searching for, who are interested to grow followers on Instagram. Okay, let me show you the proof. Let's search for how to grow followers on Instagram. If I scroll down, do you see? You see that people, you see how many audience interested in those topics? Look at this video, how to grow Instagram account from scratch. Like 200k views. Look how many traffic. This is a quality traffic. You will not watch this video if you are not interested in this topic. That's why I said YouTube is the best traffic source for me. You can get quality traffic from YouTube. You don't need a million of views. You with just few hundred views, you can make so much money. Okay, because they are paying good commission, because Fiverr is paying good commissions. Okay, if I scroll more down, look why I said that YouTube is the best traffic source for me. How to grow an audience if you have 0 followers. Look at this video, guys. This video was posted 2 years ago. This video is still getting 33 views per hour. It's still getting traffic. If you can make like those videos, include your affiliate link in those videos and put your affiliate link in your YouTube videos description, you can make crazy money with this affiliate marketing program. Okay, if I scroll more, you can see. Okay, it's working, it's still working. And if you want to learn how you can make content without showing your face, without using your voice, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and I will send you all the details inside my course. Like I said, you will learn everything. Okay, so for example, if you are promoting this service, guys, this service starting from $100. This service is from pro seller, $100. Okay, if you remember, you will earn 17% of the first order. Okay, let me show you. For pro sellers, this is pro service that we are promoting. What we will earn is we will earn 70% of the first order. Let's go to ChatGPT. If we go to ChatGPT and we ask him what is 70% of $100, crazy commission. It's crazy commission. Okay, $70, guys, $70. You see how many? Do you see how much they are paying for those services? You can make so much money. And there is more. You cannot promote just Instagram followers. You can also promote. Let me show you how to edit YouTube. How to edit YouTube videos. What I will do? I will go back to Fiverr and I will search for. There is an audience search for how to edit YouTube videos. What I will search for? I will search for edit video or editing services, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers who can do editing for YouTube. You will make content about this service and post on YouTube. That's it. That's how we can start Fiverr affiliate marketing as a beginner. So I hope, guys, it's clear. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.